So I'm here with KL Audio, who are launching a new record cleaner that can do multiple sizes, and you can load, I think, 5 at once. And this is Isaac Choi.
Yeah.
You want to talk to me about how it works?
Yeah, this is LP200U. We recently launching this unit, and this one is cleaning LPs. We have 5 slots, and it can clean one at a time. The most convenient features are you can change the washing cycle to 1 to 5 minutes, and drying cycle is also 1 to 5 minutes. And then let me demonstrate how it works. So also there is this 7, 10, 12 inches can be recognized by the sensor.
So it senses what size you
Yes.
have loaded. You don't need to tell it what's on what arm.
That's right.
Okay.
So it's sensing right now is a 7 inches lights on.
Yeah.
It's turning, circling, and this is the priming stages. Let's do this.
So what's the cleaning methodology? This is an ultrasonic cavitation cleaner, or is it using brushes, or how does it work internally?
Okay, there's a 200 watt transducer on both sides,
Yeah.
and then it vibrates the water molecule, and
Yeah.
then it's taking out the dust out of the groove.
Yeah, so with ultrasonic frequencies, is that
Yes.
right? Yeah. Do you know what frequencies?
Frequency. The frequency I don't know. I'm
Okay,
sorry.
okay. But do you know if it modulates the frequency up and down, or is it a
Just
singular
a
static?
Singular static frequency.
Okay, okay. And so are you using distilled water plus some?
Just a normal water.
So this-
or distilled water is
Okay,
fine.
yeah.
Yeah. And we have a filter over there in the tank.
So it goes to that filter,
Yes.
and that filters the water.
Yeah, water goes in and goes out. And the filtering.
But that filter is external.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Just you need to dump it out the water.
Okay. And the drying, is that just air drying, or does it do?
Just air drying.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. And there are no brushes or anything. It's just the cavitation with the 200 watt transducers.
Yes.
Okay.
There's no chemical, no brushing or anything like that.
Okay. And this is available now, or is it coming soon?
It will be available. We are able to launch end of the September and end of the August.
End of August. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I've seen these turntables in other show reports, but I'm really intrigued by how they work. So there are 2 versions, right? One with sort of a clamping feature that fixates the record, and one without. Is that right?
This is clamping in. Without clamping, this is clamping.
Okay. Well, tell me how they work the way
Yeah.
you want to tell the story.
Okay. So this one is a 20 kilogram platter, completely levitate on the magnetic field. So it's magnetic suspensions. So there's no thrust bearing at all. So this heavy 20 kilograms floating on the magnetic field, and it's making that turn with the 49 drag motors inside. And the speed control is 45, 78, 3 speed control, and 33. An easy selection of the choice. And then inside there is the water,
I
provides
see the fluid here.
Yeah.
And that provides stability.
stability, absorbs any irregular movement, and then spreading out by centrifugal forces, so make it better stable. And then this is the auto clamping, center and outer. Center is a 2.5 kilogram clamping down, and outer clamp is 4 kilograms clamping also. This is
Can I see how that works?
Yes. Let me stop it. Actually, so look at this gap expanding, and then when I make it turn, and that is clamping it down.
Oh,
I see. You can see better when I stop it. This gap will be clamping down.
Yeah.
So with the actual turn, clamping down. Perfect compress.
Yeah, and in the middle, it expands those 2 pins
Yes.
to hold it down in the center.
And with this fine, stable foundation, this is a linear tracking, compressed, firmly compressed, and this diamond tip is on the laser line always, moving like a tangential movement. So no
Yeah, there's
tracking,
no arc.
no tracking error cogging or any tracking error at all.
Yeah, and so when you move the arm, it's interesting that it moves its base too. So it slides back and forth there.
Yes.
So it's tangential there with the dual arms and pivoted, and then it slides at the arm base to maintain a linear tracking. All right. Very interesting.
Also,
so this is the version with the clamping. The other one is the same but without the clamping parts.
Yes.
Yeah. And what's the price difference between the two?
This is a $80,000 turntable and $20,000 tonearm. That one is without the clamping, $65,000 turntable, $20,000 tonearm.
Okay, so it's 15,000 difference with the clamping.
That's right.
Okay.
And then this head shell can be easily replaced by unscrewing this part and screwing back. Any kind of head shell can be easily replaced. So any kind. Also, the VTA, while you are listening to music, you can easily change the VTA by
So a VTA remote.
can be remote.
Okay.
You're sitting on the spot and then you can change the VTA. And then armrest, this is a laser on and off. And then armrest, going down, touch it, and then going up.
How long did it take to build this thing, to develop
We
this
developed like five years ago, and our first show was a Munich High End last year.
Okay,
Yes.
so about 4 years to develop this thing.
Yes.
Yeah, I can imagine. This is quite a lot of engineering that goes
Yes.
into this. All right, thank you very much for the demonstration.
Thank you so much.